The emerald seas, where bamboo sighs, in rustling waves, neath endless skies. Swift it grows, yet stands so tall, nature's grace renewing all. A gift of green, both strong and wise, forever Earth's gentle ally.
My name's Eric Rupert, and I am the CEO of All Plus Technologies. We are a bamboo forest resource company. One great thing about bamboo is it's technically a quite sustainable material. So really anything you touch with it is giving some kind of case for sustainability and local resource use and natural product. I was brought over by a person who was living in Vancouver at the time. So when we came here, we decided we would focus on the bamboo industry, but in an e-commerce format. So that is how I found my home in China, which is in Fujian. And really that's what I consider my China home, is where I first started and got my roots, and I was there for about 4 years. Now being up in Shanghai for almost 10 years. Of course, Shanghai is our home base and really my home now. So we've had a number of really key projects. The Shanghai Library we worked on very early in 2017. We worked on the Euro campus in Yangpu quite deeply. One of the defining elements of this project is the fact that the design called for engineered bamboo in all of these spaces. They're not overwhelming in any way, but they really bring out the space in total. So this design program in the school had an incredible amount of door systems, over 50 different types, all using solid engineered bamboo. Between the German and the French schools, there's over 50,000 square meters of coverage. So you can imagine the floor coverage is a very important part. And the idea is to bring these natural materials right into within reach of all the kids, the teachers, parents. We had to bring those all to a very technical reality within this package specifically. So this really was the big bamboo package. So throughout the entire campus footprint, you'll find that the bamboo detail remains consistent in a subtle way where you can find them within the footprint of the school. The majority of these materials were harvested and then manufactured into their final product to be brought here to live the rest of their life out for the next 30 plus years while installed. We then started to work on a number of evolving projects outside of Shanghai, which were taking us working and cooperating with Starbucks in Fujian, for example, and in Guangdong province. We just finished a Lingan project, we just finished one in Nanjing. You're in Sichuan, you're in Anhui, you're in Guangxi, you're in Hunan, you're in Jiangxi. It really becomes a blanket coverage of where the bamboo regions are and where we're servicing, and working with those communities and working with the local governments and of course a number of partners in these regions to develop. Right, so we're in Shanghai, but we are a Canadian company as well, and I can say that the development here and the push to instigate the adoption of materials like ours is in all of the decision makers' hands. They want to do it. They're finding ways to push for it. The most in the world for our materials is here in China. And so if anywhere is going to crack the code and see a very big movement in the materials consumption, it's going to be here.